विसवा उपरांत येवकार ब्रिस्तारा मुखेलमंत्र्यान विधानसभेत बजेट सादर केल्या उपरांत बजेटाचेर मंत्री आमदारांनी आपली प्रतिक्रिया व्यक्त केली। चडशा मंत्री आमदारांनी बजेटाक येवकार दिला, मात कांय विरोधी पक्षाच्या आमदारांनी बजेटाचेर कांय प्रमाणात खंत व्यक्त केल्या। RDX गोवा खातीर पर्वरेच्यान चीफ रिपोर्टर केन्झिल रॉड्रिगीस।
Budget has been comprehensively, in spite of the Chief Minister's not being well, the Chief Minister has fully applied himself on the budget. We are yet to go through in detail. I've just gone through the synopsis and I'm confident the Chief Minister has done total justice to each and every department. As he mentioned the subjects close to his heart, and the Chief Minister, as far as budget planning is concerned, I think he is highly knowledgeable in terms of different sectors that require priority, and I am confident that it will be a extremely good budget. What I have read is just a synopsis. We'll go through the budget, but people of Goa should have total faith in the Chief Minister and his planning.
ज्या परिस्थितीत त्याने येऊन हे बजेट पेश केलें त्याच्या वयल्यान गोंयाचेर कितलें प्रेम ताजें आसा, आपल्या हेल्था पेक्षा गोंयच्या लोकांचेर आनी गोंयाचेर कितलें प्रेम आसा तें सिद्ध जाता। आणि ताजे वयल्यानूच ताज्या मनांतल्यो ज्यो स्किमी आसा ताणें म्हटलां की आपलें भाशण त्याचे वयलें भाशण आनी त्याच प्रमाणे ज्यो स्किमी आसा मागीर त्यो टॅक्स लावपाचे आसूं किंवा लोकांक दिवपाचे आसूं त्यो जून जुलय म्हयन्यांत आपूण घालतलो। आनी त्या खातीरूच हे करता आसतना आज ताणें इतले त्रास घेवन हें बजेट केलां, तें लोकार्पण केल्लें, आपल्या स्वताच्या हातान लोकार्पण केलां। आनी म्हाका दिसता जवळ जवळ 12 ते 13% एक्स्ट्रा पोरूचे पेक्षा हे बजेट आसा। प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटाक काही ना काही ताणें दिवपाचो प्रयत्न केला। आतां आनी वाडोवपाक जाय जाल्यार सप्लिमेंटरी डिमांड्स आसता तेन्ना हे बाकीच्यो गोश्टी पळोवपाक जाता। डिमांड जेन्ना आसता त्या शिवाय डिमांड आमच्या प्रत्येकाच्या भाशणां आसा। हे फक्त 5 म्हयन्याचें बजेट आज आमी पास केलां आनी फुडले जे असेंब्ली आसतली जुलय ऑगस्ट म्हयन्यांत तेन्ना बाकीच्यो म्हणटा तें पास जाता।
So you welcome the budget?
Of course, this is my budget.
आतां चीफ मिनिस्टरान लेखल म्हण आमी कांय उलोवंक ना जाल्यार हांव उलोवपाक सोदतां। फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट मायनिंगाचेर हाल कितें जालें जाल्यार ही प्रोविजन ना फॉर मायनिंग डिपेंडंट्साक। देन देर आर अदर इश्यूज वीच आर वेरी इम्पॉर्टंट। देर इज नो सिग्निफिकंट डायरेक्शन in the budget as far as what will be the spending for drugs curtail kurpak itkotlege. Now all these issues, and our chief minister was not well, and that is why we had we have not taken it, no one has said anything. I think overall budget should have been more forceful, especially for the last 1 year there has been no work. There has been no arrangements of money, financial this commitments to whatever has been in each and every department. So I think we were expecting a better budget, but then since the chief minister was not well, and since he has just come in and given the budget, our comments have been really less, only because of it.
Overall, the gist of the budget looks to be very good. Unemployment scenario is very challenging. And coming in as a team and with the coalition government, Manohar Parrikar babanche swapna asa ki employment scenario handle करचो. As a labor minister, I have spent a lot of time on this particular issue with him. As a IT minister, I have spent a lot of time. And as far as the gist of the budget goes, it looks good because the priorities for towards employment have been given to handle unemployment. Overall budget in terms of facts and figures, but inside of it is we know that the industries have been given a major boost. So investments coming down, creating the ecosystem for employment is a priority which we are always defining, and that seems to be the priority of our government today.
In the budget, the figures that are reflected are clearly reflecting the aspirations of Goans. The younger generation of Goa wants jobs. The focus is on employment. The focus is on agriculture. Focus is on health. Focus is on education. I welcome that.